Module 5, Managing Storage. Storage Technologies Overview. Storage technologies play a crucial role in modern IT infrastructures, enabling organizations to store, manage, and access data efficiently and reliably. Here's an overview of some common storage technologies. 1. Direct Attached Storage. DAS refers to storage devices that are directly connected to a server or a computer, such as internal hard drives, external hard drives, or storage devices connected via USB or Thunderbolt. DAS is simple and cost-effective, but it has limitations in terms of scalability and data sharing. 2. Network Attached Storage. NAS is a type of storage that is connected to a network and provides file-level access to data over a network protocol such as NFS or SMB. NAS devices are typically dedicated storage appliances that offer centralized storage with file-level sharing capabilities, making them suitable for file storage and sharing in small to medium-sized environments. 3. Storage Area Network. SAN is a specialized network that connects servers and storage devices using Fibre Channel or ISC-SI protocols, providing block-level access to data. SANs are designed for high performance, high availability, and scalable storage solutions, making them ideal for enterprise environments that require fast and reliable access to large amounts of data. 4. Network Attached Storage over Internet Protocol. NFS over IP. NFS over IP is a storage technology that enables file-level access to data over a TCP/IP network. It allows clients to access files on remote servers as if they were local, making it suitable for distributed file sharing and collaboration. These are some of the common storage technologies used in modern IT environments. Organizations may deploy a combination of these technologies depending on their storage requirements, performance needs, scalability, data redundancy, and budget considerations. It's important to understand the capabilities and limitations of different storage technologies and choose the ones that best suit the organization's needs. Disk Management and Maintenance. Disk management and maintenance are critical tasks in managing server storage to ensure optimal performance, reliability, and data integrity. Here are some key aspects of disk management and maintenance in a Windows Server environment. 1. Disk partitioning. Disk partitioning involves dividing a physical disk into logical sections or partitions, which can be formatted with different file systems and used for different purposes. Disk partitions can be created, resized, and deleted using disk management tools in Windows Server, such as Disk Management or DiskPart. 2. Disk formatting. Disk formatting is the process of preparing a disk partition for use by creating a file system on it. Windows Server supports various file systems, such as NTFS, FAT32, and REFS, which have different features and capabilities. Disk formatting is typically done during the initial setup of a disk partition or when reformatting a partition. 3. Disk mirroring, striping, and spanning. Windows Server provides options for creating different types of disk configurations, such as disk mirroring, RAID 1, disk striping, RAID 0, and disk spanning, JBOD, using disk management or storage spaces. These configurations provide different levels of data redundancy, performance, and storage capacity, depending on the organization's requirements. 4. Disk quotas. Disk quotas allow administrators to limit the amount of disk space that users or groups can consume on a particular disk partition. Disk quotas can help prevent disk space exhaustion, ensure fair resource allocation, and manage storage usage in multi-user environments. Disk quotas can be configured and managed using File Server Resource Manager, FSRM, in Windows Server. Proper disk management and maintenance are critical to ensure the reliability, performance, and data integrity of server storage. Regular monitoring, maintenance, and proactive management of disks can help prevent data loss, disk failures, and performance degradation, ensuring smooth and efficient operation of Windows Server environments. Storage Spaces Configuration. Storage Spaces is a feature in Windows Server that allows administrators to create and manage virtualized storage pools using physical disks, providing flexible and scalable storage solutions for organizations. Here are the basic steps to configure storage spaces in Windows Server. 1. Prepare physical disks. Ensure that the physical disks to be used in the storage pool are connected and recognized by the Windows Server. These disks can be internal disks, external disks, or shared disks over a network. 2. Create storage pool. Open the Storage Spaces Manager in Windows Server and select Create a new pool and storage space. Choose the physical disks to be included in the storage pool and select the resiliency type, such as Simple, Mirror, or Parity, for the storage space. Resiliency type determines the level of data redundancy and performance of the storage space. 3. Configure storage space. Specify the size of the storage space, which can be the full capacity of the storage pool or a subset of it. Choose a provisioning type, such as fixed or thin, which determines how the storage space allocates physical disk space. Set other options, such as write-back cache, if desired. 4. Create virtual disks. Once the storage space is created, virtual disks can be created on top of it. Virtual disks are the logical units of storage that can be formatted with a file system and used like physical disks. Depending on the organization's requirements, virtual disks can be created with different sizes, resiliency types, and provisioning types. Storage Spaces provides a flexible and scalable storage solution for organizations using Windows Server, allowing administrators to create virtualized storage pools that can be easily managed, expanded, and optimized based on the organization's storage requirements. Proper configuration, monitoring, and management of storage spaces can help ensure efficient and reliable storage operations in a Windows Server environment. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.